Abu Sa'id Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, narrates that during one of our journeys, a girl approached us and said, "The chief of our tribe has been bitten by a snake. And our people are absent. Is there anyone among you who can perform a healing ritual?" Subsequently, a man, whom we did not consider capable of performing such a ritual, came forward, performed the ritual, and the chief recovered. The chief then instructed him to give 30 goats to the man, milk to drink. Upon his return, we asked him, "Did you perform the ritual effectively?" He replied, "No, I merely recited the opening of the book, Al-Fatiha, with the chief." We advised him, "Do nothing until we reach the Prophet Muhammad, peace." When we arrived in Medina, we informed the Prophet, peace be upon him, about the incident. He inquired, how did he know it was a healing ritual? "Divide the goats and reserve my share."